Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the figure after dilation with a given scale factor k. Then graph the original image and the dilation. So what you have here are you have the original points and they give you a scale factor. Scale factor tells you what you have to multiply each point by. So I'm going to take all of these and multiply them by 3 because that's the scale factor. So the old points are w, x, and y. So to make a new point, you have to put prime. That means after the dilation. So -1 for w, -1 times 3 is -3, and 4 times 3 is 12. And for x prime, 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. And for y prime, -2 times 3 is -6, and 1 times 3 is 3. So those are the vertices of the figure after the dilation. Then they want you to graph the original image and the dilation. So for the original image, let me make my x and y axis here. And I'm going to take each of these by 2's. Okay, so the original one, -1, 4 would be here. That's W. And 1, 2 would be here. That's X. And to the left 2, up 1. But I'm counting by 2, so that would be right here. And that's Y. So let me go ahead and connect those to make my triangle. Okay, then for W prime, I've got -3, 12. So that's to the left 3, 2, 3, and up 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's W prime. And for X prime, it's 3, 6. So to the right 3 and up 6. 2, 4, 6 is X prime. And then my Y prime was -6, 3. So -2, -4, -6, and up to 3 is Y prime. I connect those, and sometimes they overlap, and that's okay. These actually aren't going to overlap, really. Okay, you have just made a shape that is 3 times bigger than the original one. Number 2, Janelle has a box that measures 4 feet by 3 feet, so I'm going to make that into a fraction because that's for her first box. She needs a box similar to this one that measures 2 feet by 1.5 feet or 1.5 feet. What is the scale factor of the dilation? Well, you have to figure out how you get from 4 to 2. You could use the bottom. It's the same thing. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So 4 divided by 2. So 2 is a scale factor, but since the number is getting smaller, you need a fraction for a scale factor, not a whole number. So all you do is pop a 1/2 up top, and you are literally saying that half of 4 equals 2. And that is correct. That is the scale factor.